Hello again from Grisslinge on this last day of September, 30th of September, and right now it is a bit sunny, but you can see there is lots of clouds in the sky, so let's see how long this sun will end. But yes, I am again on the sea after earlier today being at Slussen, nudist beach. Now I have went to the sea to check out the temperature, as in the Lake Mälaren it was 15 degrees Celsius in the lake, and I'm curious how much it will be here at Grisslinge, one of the most accessible sandy beaches on the sea here in Stockholm for sure. Here we have also floating jumping platform in the sea, which I'm going to head to. As always, I'm here like all of the times that I was here for a beach adventure in Grisslinge. I'm going and jumping from the, I think it's 3-meter platform, the highest one. And yes, with sun everything looks much better. Just look at the sea, how beautiful it is. I did swim for 10 minutes in the Lake Mälaren, and today I'm gonna swim also here in the sea. As I'm showing you around before measuring the water temperature, let's see how the beach looks like, and it looks amazing. There is even a children's playground as well, and there is currently nobody on the beach. I'm the only person on the beach, and yeah, I'm so happy to be able to do this adventure at the last day of September. So yeah, I think I'm gonna also jump from here while I'm gonna swim to the jumping platform. And yeah, beach day number 129 is today. And now for the moment of truth. Let's see. Oh, it's 15 degrees. So now at this last day of September is the same temperature in the sea as it is in Lake Mälaren. So I would definitely prefer then the sea for sure. So with that said, it's time to jump into the sea here. So ready, set, and go. Amazing. The sea is amazing. I love it. Beautiful, simply beautiful. Let's see. Okay, the sun is about to set behind the clouds, but I'm anyways going to jump from the floating jumping platform here at Grisslinge Havsbad. Yes, this beach is located in Värmdö, and I have been here many times before. It's always nice to come here to experience the sea. Just 25 minutes bus ride from Slussen, and there are very frequent buses here, up to every 5 minutes. Sometimes it can be 15 depending on the time of the day, but still very frequent. And yeah, now I'm on the jumping platform, and I'm definitely going to jump into the sea. I thought that it's going to be a little bit more windy here on the sea, but it's not for sure. And yeah, so let's climb up the stairs and jump into the sea while I'll show you more of the beach from here. Even though it's now cloudy, it still looks amazing. So yeah, it's time then for me to jump again here at Grisslinge Havsbad in Värmdö. So let's then jump and enjoy a nice swim in the sea again. Ready, set, and go! That was amazing. Look at that. I can't believe I jumped all the way from there. Brilliant, just brilliant. So I will be swimming now a bit more here in Grisslinge and enjoy. So thank you so much for watching this episode with me from Grisslinge, from the sea, and I'm gonna definitely see you soon again with another beach adventure on my channel, Beach Adventures with Kris.